Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now this case is made by Toyoha. I haven't used this case before, but it looked interesting, so I wanted to check it out. This case cost $9.99. It's on Prime. It's got 5-star reviews. So let's check it out and see what it's all about. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra case, translucent matte back, compatible with MagSafe and protective cases for the S25 Ultra. This is the black version. You can get them in different colors. You can see right there, you got blue, green, pink, and a purple looking color there. $9.99, made by Toyoha. All right. I'll put the link, and it's got a lanyard with it as well. We check that out when we get there, but I'll put the link in the description for you want to get this. Okay, here's the wrapper. It comes in right here. Pretty simple wrapper. Got a little just you got a lanyard, pretty thick lanyard. It's got a little bit of adjustment there with it, and nothing else in the pack there. Pretty simple. All right. Now, here's what the case looks like. It's got a kind of embossed area, a high-rise area around the camera there, so that's going to be protected. You got your MagSafe ring in the back. And it's kind of got that industrial look like the Rinky case a little bit. You can see the Rinky case right here. So kind of similar. I like that Rinky case. You got some grip on the side here. You got this textured area right here. And open buttons for the mic, for the power button in the bottom down rocker. It's a little bit of branded there. Rugged shield. You got the lanyard open right there. It's got these bolstered corners right here for drop protection, pretty pronounced. And again, this more industrial type look on the back right there. Opening for the mic and the charging port and the S Pen right there. And you got this side is pretty clean except this grippy area right there. You can hear that. You got to open for the mic up top. And it looks like it might have some lip protection there as well. We see what that looks like. We'll put it on, all right? But let's put the case in there, see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the S25 Ultra. Let's put this inside, see how it fits there. This case is not too rigid. Now, it's got a good fit, and it's got grip, all right? Now, the translucent back, I'm not a big fan of that because it's more slippery than I'd like. Some of them are able to make it where it's not as slippery, but this one, I think the grip on the sides make this one easier and more secure in your hand, so it's not too bad. Now, the camera is covered up. You see these rings come over the camera, so you can see that right there. So the cameras are well protected there. That's a good job there. And you got a lip on the top, and the lip kind of comes over the screen, so it's well protected there. So we'll be able to put this down on the front without any issues. Everything lines up in the bottom right there for your charging ports, and your mic lines up as well. You see the holes right there. Power button works fine, no problem. It's nice and soft to click. But it's not a bad case, not too bulky, but it offers good protection. I think I like, it's not as good as the Rinky case, which I like better, because I like this non-translucent back, so this one won't be replacing that. But it's not a bad looking case, inexpensive, under 10 bucks, so it's worth it if you want something that offers protection, but not too expensive. Okay, so it might be good for you. Now we'll check out MagSafe and the wireless charger. Now here's the MagSafe charger right there. Let's put this on. It sticks pretty good, and you pick the phone up, no problem. All right, and it is charging. You can see the animation right there. So that works pretty well. Now we're going to check out the regular charging here. Let's lay it down. Picked up charging that way. And let's stand it up and see what happens when we do that. And it picked up charging that way as well. Let's go ahead and lay it down and see what happens when we do that. So it picked up charging there as well. So it works. Wireless charging works in all three positions, all right? No problem there. Okay, so that was a quick look at the rugged shield case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Pretty decent case, inexpensive, under 10 bucks. So that'll be good for you if you want some protection, but not very expensive. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.